Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to switch accounts in Temu, and now let's dive right in. Now to switch accounts in Temu, first open up your Temu app on your phone. And after opening your Temu app, guys, on this interface at the bottom of the screen, you can see a bunch of items available for us. Tap on the U button at the bottom middle section of the screen, and you land on this interface. And after landing on this interface, guys, at the top right corner you can see the settings button available for us. Tap on settings at the top right corner of the screen, and over here at the bottom of the screen you can see, guys, just above the sign out button there is the switch accounts option available for us. Tap on switch accounts and all of your accounts will be listed over here of your Temu app. But if you have not logged into your account, guys, you can see there is the add account button available for us. Tap on add account and continue to the login process of your Temu account, and you will be able to switch. But guys, if you're already logged into your account, you can see your account will be listed over here, like my primary account over here. You can just tap on that second account in order to log into your account. You will be required to verify yourself in the way. But with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to switch accounts in your Temu. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.